Hello and welcome. Let's get straight to the point today. The most powerful thing you have is your mind and your ability to control your thoughts. In fact, your thoughts are the key to attracting everything you desire into your life. The reality you experience is shaped by the thoughts you choose to hold in your mind. It might sound simple, but it's profound. Your thoughts are like magnets, drawing experiences, people, opportunities, and circumstances towards you, whether you realize it or not. So, let's start with this truth: you are not a passive participant in life. The life you lead, the experiences you have, and the world around you, are all created by the thoughts you hold. Yes, you can attract anything you want into your life simply by changing the way you think. When you understand this principle, everything begins to shift. You see, thoughts are energy. The thoughts you think have a vibration that affects the world around you. Positive, uplifting thoughts carry a high vibration, attracting similar energies. Negative, fearful thoughts, on the other hand, attract more of the same: more challenges, more obstacles, more struggle. This is how the law of attraction works, but it's more than just wishing for things. It's about aligning your thoughts with what you truly want and understanding that your reality is a reflection of your inner world. To attract what you desire, you must first understand that the outer world is a mirror of your inner world. The thoughts you think, the beliefs you hold, and the emotions you feel all shape the life you experience. Your mind is like a garden. If you plant seeds of positivity, gratitude, and abundance, you will harvest a life that reflects those qualities. But if you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and limitation, you will reap a life full of struggles and challenges. Now, you might be wondering, how can I change my thoughts? It's simple, but it requires focus and discipline. The first step is becoming aware of your thoughts. Pay attention to what you're thinking throughout the day. Are your thoughts focused on what you want, or are they consumed by fear, worry, and doubt? Awareness is key to making a shift. Once you become aware, you can start redirecting your thoughts toward the things you desire. The next step is to practice the art of visualization. See yourself already living the life you want. Feel the emotions as if it's happening right now. This is a powerful tool to shift your vibration and align your thoughts with your desires. When you visualize, you're sending a clear message to the universe about what you want. You're telling it, this is my reality. I am worthy of this. I am ready for this. But remember, it's not enough to just visualize and think positive thoughts. You must also feel as though what you want is already yours. The emotions you feel are what give your thoughts power. When you feel joy, gratitude, love, and excitement, you are radiating high vibrations that attract more of those things into your life. The universe responds to your energy, not just your words or thoughts. So, make sure your feelings align with what you desire. Another crucial part of attracting what you want is to let go of resistance. Sometimes, we hold on too tightly to how we think things should unfold. We try to control the outcome, and this resistance creates blocks. When you release the need to control how things will happen, you allow the universe to work its magic. Trust that the right opportunities and circumstances will come to you at the perfect time. Let go of doubt and fear, and have faith that everything is unfolding as it should. You must also practice gratitude. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrations you can emit. When you focus on what you already have and appreciate it, you send out a message to the universe that you are open and ready to receive more. Gratitude attracts abundance. It shifts your focus from lack to abundance, and as you do so, the universe will respond by bringing more of what you are grateful for into your life. Another powerful tool to use is affirmations. Repeating positive affirmations helps reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning it with your desires. Your subconscious mind is where all your beliefs and thoughts are stored, and it has a powerful influence on your reality. By affirming your worth, your desires, and your ability to create the life you want, you are sending a clear message to your subconscious that this is the life you're creating. This, in turn, influences your actions, your decisions, and your results. You don't need to understand how it all works. In fact, trying to figure out the how can often block the process. Trust that when you align your thoughts and energy with what you want, the universe will find the perfect way to deliver it. The more you can trust the process, the faster your desires will manifest. One of the most powerful realizations is understanding that everything is energy, and you are a part of this vast, interconnected energy field. Your thoughts are like signals sent out into the universe, and the universe responds by matching the energy you emit. If you want to attract abundance, health, love, or success, you must first become an energetic match for these things. The key is to elevate your vibration to the frequency of what you want. Another important aspect is to remain patient. When you start to change your thoughts, it might feel like nothing is happening, but know that things are always shifting beneath the surface. Just like a seed takes time to sprout and grow, your desires will take time to manifest. Trust that the universe is always working behind the scenes, aligning everything perfectly for you. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep believing that what you want is already on its way. The most important thing is to believe in yourself and your power. You have the ability to create your reality. Your thoughts shape your life, and your life is a reflection of your inner world. You have the power to change your life simply by changing your thoughts. You are the creator of your reality, and the life you desire is already within your reach. It's essential to stay consistent. Just like anything in life, consistency is key to success. If you want to see changes, you must commit to thinking differently every day. It may feel unnatural at first, especially if you've spent years thinking in a certain way, but with practice, it becomes easier. One of the most powerful tools you can use to change your thoughts is visualization. When you visualize what you want, you are telling your subconscious mind, "This is already mine." Imagine yourself living your ideal life. Picture it as vividly as you can. How does it feel? The key here is not just to visualize but to also feel the emotions associated with it. This makes your visualization even more powerful, as emotions carry a strong vibration that influences what you attract. But here's the secret: thoughts alone won't bring you the life you desire. You have to feel as if your desires are already here. Emotions are the fuel that energizes your thoughts. When you feel love, gratitude, joy, and excitement, you are raising your vibration and sending out high-frequency energy into the universe. The universe responds to this energy, not just to the thoughts you think. So, make sure your emotions are in alignment with what you desire. Another important aspect of attracting what you want is letting go of resistance. Often, we try to control how things will happen. We get attached to the how, and this attachment creates resistance. The more we try to control, the more we block the flow of our desires. Trust that the universe knows exactly how to deliver your desires. Let go of control, release doubt, and have faith in the process. Everything is unfolding as it should. Gratitude is another powerful tool that can transform your life. When you practice gratitude, you're focusing on what you already have. This shifts your energy from lack to abundance. You're telling the universe, "I am grateful for what I have, and I'm open to receiving more." Gratitude raises your vibration and attracts more to be grateful for. As you begin to think in ways that align with your desires, you'll start to see the results. Life will begin to mirror the thoughts you hold. Remember that you are worthy of everything you desire. The universe is abundant, and there is more than enough for everyone. Don't ever let doubt or fear make you believe otherwise. You are deserving of love, success, health, and happiness. Trust that you have the power to attract these things into your life with your thoughts. The more you believe in your worth, the more you will attract. In conclusion, your thoughts are the key to attracting everything you desire. The universe responds to the energy you put out, and when you align your thoughts with your desires, you create the life you want. Visualize, feel, and believe that what you want is already yours. Let go of resistance, practice gratitude, and trust that everything is unfolding perfectly. Subscribing ensures that you stay connected with content that can help you grow and manifest the life you desire. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality with your thoughts, and the life you desire is already within your reach. Stay positive, stay focused, and trust the process. You are the creator of your reality.